on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be showing you how to replace the spring in your active exhaust valve. So I'm at 31,000 miles right now, and just like 2 days ago I started hearing rattling coming from the exhaust. This is a very common issue with Elantra N's, and apparently what they'll do at the dealership is they'll replace the entire back of the exhaust, and then, you know, however many miles later, it starts doing it again. My buddy Andy from MOK Racing sent me a more robust spring. There's also a Mopar, I guess there's a Mopar spring that is also supposed to be thicker, but this one, from what I understand, is even better than the Mopar one. And this actually corrects the problem, and you won't have the rattle anymore. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So I've already got the car jacked up because I was going to do an oil change anyway. So let me get you underneath the car and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys, we're on the floor here, and I'm looking up at the back of the car, obviously. And right over here is the actual valve. Excuse my finger there. And so there's 3 8mm bolts here. So basically the way this works is there's a flap in here, and then depending on what mode you're in, either eco or normal or sport and N mode, it'll open and close this valve to give you all the wonderful, amazing sounds of the Elantra N. So all we're going to do is we're just going to take these 3 bolts off. We don't have to disconnect this electrical wire here. This is just going to hang, and then I'll show you what the actual spring looks like inside this. All right, guys, so I got the bolts off, and we're just gonna gently pull this off of there and take a look. And there you can see there's the culprit. That is the stock spring there, and here is the one from MOK Racing. I guess it's a little more stiff. This one has like an extra, the stock one has like an extra circle in it. Well, I have the camera in one hand. Yep, very easy. There you go. So there's the comparison there. Like I said, this one has like an extra circle in it, and this one doesn't. So maybe this one is just stiffer because this one has more flex to it or something. So like I said, I am going to try to clean this off a little bit too. Just sprayed this off with some of that compressed air. Got any little, grit that got in there. So we're going to take the new spring, and we're just gonna put it right, try to do this with one hand, sorry guys. Put it right on that clip and just push it in, and that's it. Holds in there. All right, guys, so I used the compressed air to blow the spring here, and then I'm actually gonna just blow it up here too. I just did it just for a second, and already this crap came out of my exhaust valve. So just, take it up there and spray it. Gonna get any. All right, guys, that seemed to fix it. So if you're looking for that spring, it's on mokracing.com. If I can find a link, I will put the link up. And like I said, Andy's a great guy, and they awesome customer service and everything. So you guys, as always, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section. Until the next one, peace out.